Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
One of the more popular comments we seem to be receiving when we talk about all these audio and video components is input versus output. And to me, that's a no-brainer. But apparently this is a common enough question that we need to do another video on input versus output.
Inputs go into the computer and outputs go out of the computer.
Well, computer or audio device,
or
video
any
device.
of those things. So a mouse, a microphone are all inputs. And speakers and displays are all outputs.
Right.
Something that is somewhat related that we haven't talked about in the male versus female thing, or input versus output. A lot of people think that males should always be outputs.
Because they have a prong.
Well, they don't have to. It's a signal flow thing. All devices in the old days were female. And all accessories were male. And it didn't matter what you had. If you had a cable, the cable should always be double male, and the devices that attach to it should be all female.
So what does that have to do with input versus output?
Just that it isn't tied to input is not always female and output is not always male.
Okay, well I guess that makes sense. It's just all about the flow of
information.
Data. Yeah.
Yes.
Information, data, or whatever. That's it.
But that is a difference between biologicals and technologies.
What do you mean? Biologicals being
People,
humans?
animals, the males are usually outputs and the females are usually inputs.
I think this video is done.